Hi, this is Mona, and this is your Makeup Minute. We are ending Frugal February, and we are starting off a new Spring Fever series because I, like many of you, have spring fever. I am ready for winter to be over, and I am ready to get a little bit of color on. This is the Shock Volumizing Mascara by YSL. So thank you YSL and Octoly Network for gifting me this. I wanted this one in particular because it came in underground blue. And what's more spring-like than a little bit of color? So the thing that I'm pairing this with is the Leis Ombre Quad from Chanel. This is in their 2020 line. You can see these beautiful colors. Pale pink, it's white color, and the two blues, a light blue and a medium blue. So these eyeshadows were created exclusively for the La Fleur et l'Eau de Chanel collection. This is a limited edition eyeshadow palette featuring iridescent shades embossed with a signature camellia design. It's available in 2 shade ranges. I have both. You'll be seeing the other one in another video. And this La Fleur et l'Eau collection by Chanel is designed to celebrate spring. For today's look, I went with this pale pink color on the lid. And then in the crease, I went with this light blue. In the outer V, I went with the darker blue, kind of a gray blue. And under the brow bone, the white. So I already have them on my eyes, as you can see. It's not an intense look. It goes to show you that mature women can wear blues without looking too much. These shadows are beautiful. I am looking so forward to showing you the whole collection for spring and summer. Now we're going to go in with the Shock. So this mascara retails for $29. It comes in asphalt black, it comes in maroon, and it comes in the underground blue. The claims are that it's a volumizing mascara that coats each lash with maximum volume in a single stroke and without clumping. With brilliant, high-intensity color, this long-wearing mascara will give you dramatic lashes that will not smudge. Brush, swatch of the color. Zoom in a little bit so you can see the first coat. I think this is so pretty. I do enjoy on occasion to have colored mascara. If you're looking at yourself straight up, this really can be mistaken for black at a glance, which is not a bad thing. And in certain angles that you're in the sun, it'll pick up that wash of blue, kind of a denim blue color, and I just think that it's such a nice pop of spring. I'm going to let that dry down for a minute and put on a second coat, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to show you the lipstick that I have on today. It's the Rouge Allure in the color Endless by Chanel. That's the other swatch I have in my hand. Look at this. And you guys know I usually wear nude lipsticks, and I bought several of these. Alright, let's go back in with another coat of the mascara. I love the hourglass shape of the wand. This is not a first impression. I have already worn this. It is definitely long wearing, smudge proof, no flaking. And there you go. I think that it gives you gorgeous lashes. It absolutely delivers on its claims. I think it's so fun for spring. So I hope you enjoyed getting a sneak peek of the spring and summer line from Chanel. We're going to do a more complete dive into those products. We'll see you all in the next video.